Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we continue our fascinating journey exploring jackfruit in Thailand. This time we'll focus on the harvesting process, the incredible skill of Thai farmers in cutting jackfruit, and how this amazing fruit is used in the vibrant street food culture. Let's dive right in. Jackfruit, known as kanan in Thai, is a tropical fruit famous for its enormous size and unique flavor. A jackfruit can weigh up to 25 kilograms and is filled with sweet, succulent bulbs. This fruit is not only popular in Thailand, but also cherished worldwide. Jackfruit is not just a part of the culinary landscape, but also a symbol of the rich and diverse agricultural culture of Thailand. Harvesting jackfruit is a process that demands precision and high skill. Thai farmers can tell when a jackfruit is ready for harvest by its distinctive sweet aroma and the slight yellowing of its green spiky exterior. This knowledge comes from experience, keen observation, and a sensitive touch. They use long, curved knives attached to bamboo poles to carefully cut the jackfruit from the tree, ensuring no damage to the branches. This task requires a steady hand and sharp eyes, especially since jackfruits can be very large and heavy. This technique not only ensures effective harvesting but also protects the jackfruit tree, allowing it to continue growing and producing fruit in subsequent seasons. After harvesting, the jackfruits are carefully loaded onto vehicles and transported to processing areas. This transport process must be conducted cautiously to prevent damage to the jackfruit, ensuring they remain fresh and delicious upon arrival. The trucks are equipped to keep the jackfruit in optimal condition, avoiding bumps and damage during the journey. The outer shell of the fruit is very hard and thick, requiring sharp knives and skilled hands to peel effectively. For many, cutting open a large jackfruit can be a challenge, but for Thai farmers, it is a task mastered through years of experience. Inside, jackfruit is filled with delicious, juicy pods, each surrounding a seed. These are the edible parts, renowned for their sweet and fibrous texture. To separate the pods, the jackfruit is cut in half, and the core is removed. The pods are carefully separated from the surrounding fibers using a specialized Thai knife which has a specific curve and length. After removing the core, it is easy to split the jackfruit. The sticky sap adheres tightly, so when cutting, Thais continuously wipe it off. At this point, the remaining task is to peel the pods, easily a process that can be time-consuming, but with skilled hands and years of experience, Thai farmers perform it quickly and efficiently. Not only does it require skill, but also meticulousness in every movement to ensure the pods are not crushed, preserving their fresh and appealing taste. This is the secret that makes Thai jackfruit uniquely fresh and delicious, distinct from many other places. Jackfruit is not just a food item but an integral part of Thai street food culture. Street stalls selling fresh jackfruit and dishes made from jackfruit attract not only locals but also international tourists. The unique flavors, creative preparations, and enthusiastic vendors create a distinct cultural experience that can only be found in Thailand. Dishes made from jackfruit are a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, showcasing the richness and diversity of Thai cuisine. It's not just about jackfruit. A stroll down the streets of Thailand reveals the impressive fruit cutting skills of the locals. Chilled fruit stalls showcase expertly cut fruits, pre-packaged in plastic bags and neatly arranged in rows. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas draw you in, and the perfectly cut pieces ensure you can enjoy the fruits with ease. Whether it's succulent mangoes, juicy pineapples, or refreshing coconuts, the fruits are always ready to provide an instant, delicious way to cool down in the tropical heat. The precision and care taken in preparing these fruits are a testament to the deep-rooted appreciation for fresh produce in Thai culture, making every bite a truly delightful experience. In addition, jackfruit is used in a variety of sweet and savory dishes. In sweet treats, jackfruit is often paired with sticky rice and coconut milk to create the delightful dessert Khao Niao Kanan. This traditional dessert combines the sweet taste of jackfruit with the chewy texture of sticky rice and the rich flavor of coconut milk, creating a unique and appealing taste. For savory dishes, young jackfruit is cooked with spices and used as a meat substitute in curries and stir-fries, catering to both vegetarians and meat eaters. Young jackfruit has a firm, meaty texture that, when cooked correctly, becomes an ideal ingredient for flavorful and nutritious dishes. Recently, young jackfruit has also gained popularity worldwide as a plant-based meat alternative, appreciated for its ability to absorb flavors and its meat-like texture. From cultivation, harvesting, to processing and selling, jackfruit has become an indispensable part of Thai life. The street stalls selling fresh jackfruit and jackfruit dishes have become a familiar sight in Thai streets and markets. Jackfruit is not just a fruit but a cultural symbol, a part of the daily life and memory of Thai people. We hope you have gained a deeper understanding of the jackfruit harvesting process and the incredible skills of Thai farmers. They transform the jackfruit from tree to delicious dishes, enriching both local and global cuisine. Don't forget to watch our next video, where we will continue exploring other fascinating aspects of Thai food culture. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any exciting content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.